If you've got Alfa Romeo, make sure you will lubricate the lock on the bonnet. This one corroded completely, the spring snapped. I couldn't open the bonnet. The mechanism on GT is attached, the cable is attached to this side. That's where it sits, and the shield sits on that peg. What happens when you pull the cable, it actually pulls the whole shield with it, because it's attached, the solid bit is on the side. There should be a spring attached to the latch to the left hand side. Only problem, if you want to pick the lock, which I tried, you can't get at it from this side because it's all covered. You can only get access, hold on, wait for focus. You can only get access through that hole. To get access to it, you can get through the grille over this side. The grille, luckily, isn't too hard to take out because you got two clips over this side, two pegs like that. So what you do is just press that side in and click this side in. That's how it's fitted. So if you want to pry it, just go underneath this, or you can go from this side, but it will come out if you pry it. But as I said, if only somebody would use WD-40 number of times on this, I wouldn't have that problem. So yeah, use some white grease to lubricate the lock on the bonnet and the Alfas, otherwise you might be in trouble. See you soon.